Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the dock and clearing a small area. Position it so cables run without strain. First, plug the official Nintendo AC adapter into the dock and into a live outlet. This provides stable power and charges the console. Next, run an HDMI cable from the dock's HDMI OUT to your TV's HDMI input. Remember the input number because you will switch to it later. Once done, make sure cables are snug and not pinched to avoid loose signal or charging issues. You next slide the switch into the dock carefully, aligning the USB-C connector and ensuring the back cover is removed if needed. This establishes the physical connection. Then power on the TV and switch to the HDMI input you used. You should see the switch home screen. Once visible, use a controller to open system settings, go to TV output, and choose the resolution and RGB range. This controls image quality and compatibility. Make small adjustments and test with a game to confirm stable video output. You finish by confirming audio and controller function. Set TV audio to the correct source or enable ARC if using a receiver. If you don't get a picture, first reset the switch and ensure the AC adapter's LED or warmth indicates power, then try a different HDMI port or cable because damaged cables are common culprits. If the console charges but still shows no display, make sure your switch system is up to date and power cycle both TV and dock. This often clears handshake and firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.